This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Remove covers and check for visible damage so nothing blocks the buttons or connectors. Plug the original USB cable into a reliable adapter and charge 30 to 60 minutes. Low battery causes odd behavior. Next, force a restart by holding power and volume up for 10 seconds. That clears transient firmware glitches. Once done, make sure the LED behavior matches expected patterns so you can move to pairing and audio tests without chasing false problems. You now tackle connection and sound issues. First, forget the JBL 510 BT entry on your phone to remove stale profiles that block pairing. Put the headphones into pairing mode by holding power until the LED blinks blue and white, then pair within 1 minute. This forces a fresh handshake and often restores controls. Once connected, play a track with clear stereo pans to check left and right drivers, and adjust device Bluetooth codec settings if audio quality is poor to rule out software mismatches. You finish by attempting a full hardware reset and physical maintenance. Perform a factory reset, press volume up, volume down, and power for 15 seconds until the LED indicates a reset. This clears deep settings conflicts. Next, clean the 3.5mm jack and USB port with compressed air and gently brush contacts. Debris causes poor charging and audio. If problems persist after testing, consider battery replacement or authorized JBL service. Troubleshooting tip: if only one side works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.